Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new around here, hello, my name is Jenny Sapon and welcome to my channel. So I'm kicking off my comeback video with an unboxing mystery box haul from Jeffree Star. There is one item in here that I know that I'm expecting to get. It's kind of one of the main reasons why I honestly bought this mystery box. And the rest, I honestly do not know what is in here. So if you like watching unboxing videos, just keep on watching. So I'm super excited to share this little mystery unboxing box with you guys. This is just what the little carton looks like. I'm not going to show the back of it because it has my address. I don't know if I can cover that up fully, but just for security reasons, I'm not going to show the back of it. I swear this video is going to be a mess, but you know what? It's totally... I think this is enough for me to open it up, right? Nope. Okay. Honestly, let's not cut my hair off. But, okay. Alright, so are you guys ready for the big reveal? Seriously? Okay, I guess we're not.
3 hours later.
So it opens up like this. I'm an idiot. So it opens just like this. So my address is up here. These are the items that you can see. I'm holding it because the items will fall out. But I am so excited. I get a Z palette. This is what they're called. They're called Z palettes, right? Magnet palette, Z palettes. How in the world do I open this? Okay. I am so excited to get this because, as you guys know, one of Jeffree's launch was the singles. He can, like his, like if you didn't want the full palette or you just like certain colors from his palettes, he came out with singles. And so I was kind of hoping that he would come out with a product like this before I purchased his single palettes, and I'm so excited that it came in here because now I get to purchase his singles. And there are just like some shadows that I like from his previous launches that I love, that I just will not buy the entire palette just because I don't need or want the extra palettes, and I'm so excited. So this is just what the little palette looks like. You just open it up and this is just the back side of it. I'm so excited, and guess what? He gave us 3 different single shadows. So this one is called Root Canal. You guys, I haven't filmed in like forever, so I feel like I don't know how to do this anymore. Where did Root Canal come from? Is that one of his summer launches? Is that his like Jawbreaker palette? Look how beautiful this purple is. Anyways, we're gonna put that in here. So look how beautiful this purple is. It is so beautiful. And there's purple shadow just shattered everywhere. Anyways, so the next shade is called Power. I love this color. It is so beautiful. Look at this. It's such a pretty blue. This is so fun. Oh my gosh. Okay. And the last color is called Priceless, which is just a regular like nude. I'm so obsessed. I love this. A fun fact, my favorite colors are actually purple, blue, and pink. So that makes me so happy that I received this. Now I want to buy all of his other single shadows that I've kind of been obsessed with, that I've been eyeballing but I didn't want to buy because I wanted a Z palette. The next item, which I am so excited for, this is literally the only reason why I bought this mystery box. I'm kind of ridiculous, I know. Like, it's the Star Ranch palette, you guys. Like, look at this. This palette is going to come out later in the fall, I believe. But I loved, if you guys have not had a chance to play with Jeffree Star's like eyeshadows, buying these singles would be such a good opportunity for you to like play with his formulas. They are amazing, and honestly he hasn't come out with a palette that I've been like obsessed with ever since Orgy, and I'm so excited. Like, look how freaking cute this is. His packaging is just like any of his other packagings. It just feels so amazing. And this is called the Star Ranch palette. When he first teased this palette, claimed that it was wearable, so I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh my god, it is so beautiful. It is just neutrals, which I'm so obsessed with. Let me know if you want me to do a video with this. I totally would. It is so freaking pretty. I'm obsessed. Like, obviously this metallic, or is it shimmer metallic color here, and this blue I'm so obsessed with. It's so freaking pretty. Anyways, let me know if you want a full-on review on this palette before it even releases, because he said it's going to come out later in the fall or later in the year. I'm not exactly sure when. So okay, so we have 3 more products here, so let's get going. This is the Velour Rainbow Sherbet Lip Scrub. I think this is part of his summer collection, as the summer mystery box collection as well. I don't know if he already has this specific flavor. I've never actually tried any of his lip scrubs, so I'm excited to do this. My lips are a little chappy right now, so kind of glad oh, it smells so good. It smells like Sour Patch Kids and watermelon, like Jolly Rancher. It smells so good. I'm so excited to use this. This next one is called The Gloss. I've actually never used any of his glosses. I'm more of like a liquid lip person. If you've been here for a while, you know that. So I'm excited. This one is called Silk Robe. Ooh, it's pretty. It's like a nice little nude. I never know how to open his stuff, so I don't know if this mystery box is still available. Oh, cute. So this is the gloss. Let's open it up. It smells like all his other like liquid lipsticks and stuff. What I'm gonna do is swatch on this just in case. So it has a little bit of a tint, like a nudish, grayish color to it. I would throw this over, but it would ruin the lip color, so I'm not going to. Definitely not a color I would wear, but it's very smooth. When I like swatched it on my back of my hand, it was very, very smooth. Okay, so last item. This is called the tinted lip balm in Cowboy Kiss. So I'm assuming it's a nude color just because of the package. Oh, so this is definitely a different color. Like, these are his velvet lipsticks tubes, and then this is a tinted lip balm. Yeah, there's a little bit of brown to it. I'm pretty sure if I would wear like a nude lipstick, I can wear this over. I'm definitely not gonna wear it over this pink color right now because, like I said, it would ruin the rest of my shades. So I am completely done with unboxing the summer mystery box. This entire box retailed for $60, and honestly I am so excited for these 3 products. Okay, I'm sorry, not 3, I'm more like 6, just because there's 3 shadows in here, and this C palette and this Star Ranch palette and the lip scrub. I feel like these are worth more than $60, because this alone probably retails for like $28. Each of these single shadows are like $18. I don't know, I can't do the math, but I am so excited to try all of these. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe before you leave. And as always, you can find me on all my social medias. You can find me on Instagram and TikTok at Jenny C. Pond. Since you're already here, you might as well hit that subscribe button. As always, thanks for watching. Bye guys.